Yeah, kia ora, how's it going? Tuesday afternoon here. Just trying to get my Svea 123 going. God knows when it was last lit. As dry as a bone inside. So let's have a look at it. This was the original gasket in the tank. It's a bit flexible, but it's hard. So I've put a new Viton seal in there. I get those from Caravan Camping and Marine here in New Zealand. Prices work out the same as the Fettle box from the UK, but I don't have to pay for international postage. So that's in there. I've filled it up with new fuel. I'll put this cap on. I'll fill her up with meths and then we'll light it and we'll see how we go. So as you know, the Svea has a little imprint here that we can fill with fuel or denatured alcohol. Here in New Zealand we call that methylated spirits. This tube I just got off Timu. It holds 60 mils of meths, which is quite a few lights. Give that a wee light. We'll let that do its thing. So the meths is about 2/3 the way burnt down now. We wait till that's nearly gone. And then we'll light her. I don't know if this goes. It's her first burn since ages ago. Give it a minute to warm up. Well, she's being a bit puffy, but we'll give it a minute. A wee cup of water on. 1640, 20 seconds. We'll see if this clears out a bit after a bit of a burn. Starting to burn a little better. One curious thing about the pot is it doesn't have a lid. I don't have the handle for it. That's a weekend project, but I've got my Leatherman, so we'll be able to get her off the stove all right. (16:43), 54 seconds. It's a good boil. Turn it down. Happy enough with that. Svea 123, first burn in a very long time, and yeah, started up good as gold. Happy days. Thanks for watching. If you've had experience with one of these stoves and want to share a story or a link to your video, do it below. Any stories or questions, feel free to add a comment. I'll try and answer every comment I get. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, subscribe.